कि जो हम लोगों ने मुहिम शुरू की थी कि हम दोनों जमातें मिलकर उन ताकतों के खिलाफ लड़े जो यहाँ लोगों को बांटने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, न सिर्फ रियासत में बल्कि सारे मुल्क। और इंडियन गठबंधन जो है वो बना इसीलिए था कि हम लोग उन फोर्सेस को जो कम्युनल डिवाइड मुल्क को टुकड़ा करना चाहते हैं उसे। आज खुशी की बात है कि हम लोगों ने नेगोशिएशन पूरे कर दिए हैं और बड़ी ही अच्छे कॉर्डियल एटमॉस्फेयर में हम लोग जो है कोऑर्डिनेशन कर दिया है और कांग्रेस और नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस इकट्ठे इलेक्शन। अब इसमें मेरा साथ तो मैं कहूँगा जो कुछ कहना चाहो तो लाइक टू से
Actually, the general idea was to protect the soul of the Kashmir. With the one side, BJP is trying to destroy the soul of Jammu and Kashmir. Our India Alliance main objective is to save the soul of the Kashmir, save Jammu and Kashmir. So that is why Congress and National Conference coming together to make a government in Jammu Kashmir which is totally friendly with Jammu Kashmir people, totally save the people of Jammu and Kashmir. That's why we done discussion in a cordial relations and we entered into a formula which our leaders shared. We will fight together, we will win Jammu and Kashmir, we will form the government in Jammu and Kashmir.
जैसा कि डॉक्टर फारूक साहब ने और वेणुगोपाल जी ने आपको बताया, अलायंस का जो स्पिरिट है, अलायंस का स्पिरिट जो है, ओके, जैसा डॉक्टर फारूक साहब ने और वेणुगोपाल जी ने बताया, ये अलायंस स्टिच करने के पीछे इसका स्पिरिट क्या है और जो हम लोगों ने आपस में अंडरस्टैंडिंग की है बहुत ही कॉर्डियल एटमॉस्फेयर में हुई, एक दूसरे की सेंसिटिविटीज को अंडरस्टैंड करते हुए और कुछ कंटेंशियस कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसीज में दोबारा से उसको रिव्यू किया और फाइनली हम एक एग्रीमेंट पे पहुंच गए जिसके तहत आउट ऑफ 90 सीट्स नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस विल कंटेस्ट 51 सीट्स, क्लियर 51 सीट्स। अगर क्लैरिकल कुछ होगा विल करेक्ट। INC 32 and we have agreed और नैरो डाउन करके हमने एक फ्रेंडली कंटेस्ट पे भी जहां पे हमारे कुछ मुश्किलात आ रही थी तो हमने उसमें फ्रेंडली कंटेस्ट बट in a very disciplined manner from both sides, and we have narrowed it down to 5 seats. And over and above these 88 seats, we have left 1 seat for CPIM and 1 seat for Panthers Party. So in total, it comes to 90 seats. जिसमें से फर्स्ट फेज में 24 सीट्स जिसके वास्ते कल लास्ट डे ऑफ नॉमिनेशन है, देन सेकंड फेज में 26 सीट्स और थर्ड फेज में 40 सीट्स जो फेज वाइज आ रही है। उसमें हर फेज में वी हैव अ स्टेटेड नंबर, एनसी के वास्ते एक स्टेटेड नंबर है और उसी के हिसाब से we'll start our issuing the this mandates from right now.
So what about the other 5 seats so far?
He said that they are going to have a friendly contest.
Contest for 5.
Sir, question.
They will also contest. We will also contest. That's what can be done.
K.C. Venugopal ji, Bharatiya Janata Party has raised question on National Conference Manifesto, asking कि autonomy resolution की National Conference की बात की है, 370 की बात की है.
Yes, sir.
But
Yeah,
Congress
brother, where is the moral right to say for Bharatiya Janata Party like that? Bharatiya Janata Party had alliance with the National Conference earlier. They had alliance with the PDP earlier. National Conference, the same old National Conference is still National Conference. Same old PDP is still PDP. They had alliance with both the parties with the same program. Every political party have their own political programs, their own manifesto, their own promises. We have our own promises, our own manifesto. When we are forming the government, there will be a common minimum program.
So will P70 be included in common minimum program?
One ask.
For Kashmir, because the people of Kashmir are cheated by BJP now. Everywhere we heard about that union territory becoming a state. Here the only one state, the state become the union territory, which are done by BJP. They already cheated the people of Kashmir, Jammu and Kashmir. Therefore, that is why we want a free BJP government in Jammu and Kashmir. Entire nation is also suffering through BJP. Their divisive agenda, their divisive policy, unemployment of Kashmir, Jammu and Kashmir is increasing day by day. There is no solution.
Largest unemployment.
Largest employment in the state. There only one agenda is there: divide the people. We are believing in progress of the people. We are believing employment for the youths. We are believing in the unity, but they are believing in destructive politics. No, that details we will circulate. We will circulate.
All details circulate.
All details we will circulate.
Sir, what are those 526? Phase wise.
Can you name them? Are you not happy that we have got unity? That we are united to fight? Is that not enough?
We will circulate that. We will circulate every detail, phase wise, as well as about the